If you've got a Porsche that uses this type of key and you want to know how to swap the battery, stay tuned because that's what we're going to cover on today's episode. If you're interested in detailing, maintaining and keeping your car looking its best, don't forget to click subscribe and the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. So swapping the battery in one of these keys is really easy. The first thing you need to do is take any keychains off. If you've got them on, you won't be able to do it. So you flip the key over and you'll see a little catch here. If you push that way and then slide up with your thumb, you'll remove the emergency key blade. So just like that, and there we go. That's the key blade that you use if your key failed. Now in the manual it says to pop a screwdriver into there and pop this up, but you can risk damaging the plastic doing that. So what we're going to use is the emergency key blade. We'll pop that back in halfway, put your thumb over there just so it doesn't pop off and push up. That'll then remove this cover from the battery, and there's your battery. It's a CR2032 battery. It's nice and easy to get hold of. You can get it from pretty much anywhere. This is a DL2032 just because it's a Duracell number, but as long as the last numbers are 2032 and it looks pretty much the same and it's a 3 volt, it will do. So what you want to do is take that out, swap it with your new one as quick as you can. Don't leave it for days on end, but if you can just do it quickly, it won't mean that you've got to take it to the dealer and have any coding or anything silly like that. Also use a decent branded battery just to make sure that you're not having to swap it any faster than you normally would. So now we're all done, we'll take the cover, just pop it back in at the end first, push it in, thumbs either side, push down until it clicks, take the emergency key blade, pop that back in until it clicks and the catch goes across, and that's it, you're done. Nice and easy, nice and straightforward, no trips to the dealer, no expensive bills. I do hope you found this video and the information in it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you want to know anything or if you want to share anything, leave it in the comments below. Click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I'll catch you next time.